The door-mounted tray system from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. Determine mounting position, making sure once the tray system is installed, it will clear all hinges and the cabinet frame. Once you have determined the mounting location, use the template provided to mark the upper mounting holes. Install a screw on your marks in the top of both vertical supports. Place a basket into the vertical supports on the bottom to determine correct width and firmly secure the supports with the remaining screws.